Hello boys and girls, my name is Alfie. Today cooking Flapjacks.
My name's Emily.
My show not being there today. Need frozen food, butter, bowl, weigh scale, oats, honey, paper, brown sugar, salt, staff, champ, Alfie, face.
Are you sure about that?
Sure.
Oh.
I'll never stop beat me. Me happy. First, I'll cut butter.
How much do we need?
Half of butter.
A little bit of butter.
Yeah.
So I might have to borrow yours if that's alright.
Yeah.
Oh, look forward to tasting it.
Okay.
Get some crew on the taste test. So 150 grams of butter, is it?
Yeah. Oh. So blueberry mix.
So we're using 150 grams of sugar. What kind are we using for this recipe? What kind of sugar?
Brown sugar. Now, boys and girls, now put in sugar in butter pan. Now put in honey spoon.
What are you using there, Alfred?
Gold syrup.
I'm going to use honey for mine.
Now melted butter pan cooker. Always not too close, burn yourself easy. Not handle move one side, you hold it, might be drop it, a mess overwhere. Always look at it, kids our way, always big mums, dads, watch cooker and never walk away, watch TV, or don't know, or burn your food, one day cause fire. Measure oats 300 gram oats. Measure. Kiss your Korean goodbye.
I'll never show my face in this town again.
No. Okay, then. Put oil. Now, I'll put in a tad bit pinch of salt. Now, okay, no too much salt, no taste nice. Now next be oat next pan. bit or put fruit top and taste nice. Don't champ.
You can't beat me now. There's too much trash talk in this room.
No.
There's too much.
Champ. Now put Flapjack in oven or 20 minutes. Oh, golden brown. Alright, boys and girls, always wear gloves or not burn yourself, your hands. Put that on. Put both on. Now, put nice Flapjack out oven. Nice and careful. Wow, see that?
Boo!
Chow!
Alfie.
Yes!
I am absolutely living, fuming. Alf, this time you've won. This time.
Chow!
But not a pull. Not a pull.
Maybe you pull too. Me champ. So, I'll make Flapjack. Boys and girls, enjoy, be happy.